Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to bring you another product that I think comes in very handy, especially if you're going to do a lot of hauling in your CRV. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I just picked up here for it. So whenever you guys get a SUV, I'm sure you get some type of cargo liner or something like that to protect the carpet, because we know that this carpet is, if you even want to call it that, very hard to clean. You have your spare tire under here, but it's nice, especially, like I said, hauling anything, especially liquids. You don't want to get it on here. It's so hard to clean. So I just picked up this cargo liner from Lasfit. You can buy it as a set with the floor liners, or you can buy this separate, but it's a really nice piece. Has a nice rubbery texture, so things won't slide around. It's not that cheap hard plastic. And it can utilize these hooks as well. You just have to move the position of that lower platform. So if you see right here, you can take an X-Acto knife, razor blade, and you just trim it out, and it'll let the hooks from on the CRV show through, and then you can utilize them if you need them. If you don't, then don't worry about cutting it out. It'll just cover them up. So I'll kind of show you exactly how it fits here. And like I said, any like bins or anything like that will come out after it sits in the sun or sits in this car for a couple days. So that's if you don't raise the platform. See, it won't sit flush. So you have to bring that platform up so it sits flush. If not, you have a little hump there. But you can see the fitment of it, really good. Has their logo here. It's a really nice design. And so you see this right here, this little hump. So then you're going to bring the platform up. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. And this here, to utilize the hooks, like I said, you just cut into it. But this is designed to be used with that platform raised up. So it's a nice flat floor. Okay, it's really easy. All you're going to do to even this up, you just take this out. And it's super light. And you just got to put it in the notch here. And just like that. So it sits on that lip in the front. Now it's completely flat. Now this liner will be flat. Like I said, you can cut it if you want to use those hooks. But this is how it's going to be. Nice and flat. You get a little bit more space out of it this way if you raise that platform. Other cargo trays will be used when the tray is all the way down, so it kind of cuts into it a little bit. What I like about this, when you raise the platform, it makes more of a pocket on the sides. It's a little deeper since the platform's raised up. So if you put like milk or anything like that, it'll stabilize it more. When we use the platform down, things seem to tip over more into it. So if you guys like that idea, check the link in the description. I have it listed. It's not bad pricing. Like I said, I like the quality of these. It's not that hard plastic where everything slides around. It has a rubbery texture to it. So it'll help secure the load as well if you're not tying anything down. And like I said, in the event something happens, has those nice grooves, so it'll contain a lot of the spills. It's a simple thing that you can do, because spilling some liquid in here, it's almost impossible to fix it. So you'd end up probably buying a new platform piece, which is more than it's even worth. So again, it's a great way to keep your car protected. Very easy. You can roll it up if you're not using it. I really like it. So again, check the link in the description, guys. I think you'll like this one. I appreciate it as always. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.